Dear ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. On this occasion, we would like to present our research, the title The Attack of Black-tipped Borer, Selesandros compactus, Aicov Coleoptera scolitidae, on grafted Robusta arabica coffee variety in dry season. Presented by Sulaiha from Agriculture of Faculty Hasanuddin University. Introduction. Indonesia is the fourth largest coffee producer in the world after Brazil, Vietnam, and Colombia, with total production of 60,000 tons in 2019. This amount of plant productivity is very small compared to rival countries such as Colombia, with productivity of 810,000 tons per year. The opportunities to increase Indonesian coffee plants' productivity is still widely open to Indonesian tropical climate, which is agronomically very suitable for coffee plantation. Coffee plantation is a commodity with the high economic prospect in Indonesia. Coffee production ranks 5th in the 10 top agricultural product cultivated in Indonesia after oil palm, rubber, coconut, and cocoa. South Sulawesi is a contributor of national coffee production for export purpose. Also, the coffee production of South Sulawesi is still in small quantity. The target of South Sulawesi to increase its coffee production is fully supported by the policy of the provincial government and regional government of the production center in Tanah Toraja, Endrekang, and Sinjai Regency. However, one of the factors inhibiting coffee production in Sinjai Regency is one of central production in south of Sulawesi about a pest attack of the black-tipped borer Selesandros compactus Coleoptera scolitidae, which causes the twig to wilt, turn yellow, and die in coffee plantation. An important factor in effect of pest attack of Selesandros compactus is humidity. This high humidity is not required for beetle development, but it's essential for ambrosia growth in the borehole, which has a mutualism symbiosis with Selesandros compactus. The presence of ambrosia fungi will determine the larvae growth and ability of female black-tipped borer to offspring. The aim of this study was to determine the level of Selesandros compactus pest attack on coffee plant in dry season conditions. The study was conducted from August to September 2019. Research method. In this research method, used to 20 sample plants randomly selected in line transect with spacing of 5 trees per row. Pest attack intensity was calculated by counting the number of Selesandros compactus attack on each tree by dividing the sample direction based on the cardinal direction north, south, and west of each plant. One direction was determined by using GPS. Result and discussion. In the picture, we can see that coffee plants attacked by Selesandros compactus. Symptoms of black-tipped borer Selesandros compactus are indicated by the presence of round bore holes on the surface of the coffee branches. The branch with borehole is cut. There are a long tunnel as a place for laying eggs until the insect grow into adult. The existence of boreholes in the coffee branches obstruct the transportation of nutrients, due the big branches becoming wilted and brittle. In figure 2, percentage of plant damage by Selesandros compactus based on the wind direction. The Selesandros compactus attack in dry season is categorized as mild category under 25%. The attack on branches located at the west part were 30.14% higher than other part. Due to the west part of the research site has several side trees, Syzygium aromaticum, the sunlight intensity was blocked and affected the spot in situ humidity level. High humidity can increase the growth of Ambrosia fungi in the boreholes, which are source of food for the Psilosanthus compactus. In table 1, we can see that correlate branch position with the number of hole and length of damage by Psilosanthus compactus based on the one direction. The attack of Psilosanthus based on a borehole in the cave branch was found to highest hole attack in the western part than the other parts, and the longest of bore or tunnel was found in the west side was 13.35 centimeters, and coverage plan in a round of cave plantation is a good condition for growth of Ambrosia fungi, and it means increasing for the number of attack by Psilosanthus compactus. Conclusion 1. The attack of Psilosanthus compactus in dry season at Xinjiang Regency is categorized as mild category, the attack intensity under 25%. 2. The presence of shade tree on around the west side of observation plot caused the attack intensity to be higher, and the highest number of hole and length of bore than the other part. Thank you very much.